So I did a thing here. I now have an official S-Tech or slagle-tech website. It's been something I've been working on for a little bit, and I figured I'd kind of show off what it is, why I did it, hopefully answer some questions, and maybe get some people interested in joining in on it. So to start, I'm not a programmer. I've said that many times. Don't build websites, so I used Wix. I picked Wix because it has literally a pre-built form option. Everything in there can make it secure, make it less hassle. So right now there's roughly 4 parts to this. This is the main homepage. I have a basic dark theme design. It's mostly black with white text. I do a lot of my video editing and extra projects at night. So if I'm going to be working on a website, I really didn't want it to be blinding me. Also, I kind of like the simplistic look of it. This is where I'm going to show the 5 most recently published videos. Kind of also a teaser trailer. I figured 5 is a good number to put into a rotation. If you want to watch more, you'll be able to link into the YouTube page and go from there. Next to that, on the right-hand side, there's going to be a brief welcome text box. This can be changed from time to time. I'm thinking about having a way to program this to hook up to Jarvis so that it will use that GPT for all to generate a random welcome phrase based on the day, maybe holidays, whatnot, and change this text basically on the whim. But that's a goal for later. I'm planning on connecting Google Ads to the site in a few, hopefully discreet or not screaming in your face places, like having a small ad play here. Or not. I'm still working on that. Below that, we'll have a get in touch, so you want to email, you can see it here. Talk about trying to tie Jarvis into the emails. You may or may not get automated responses. Any submitted emails can be used in future videos, possibly. Send something weird, I can use it. If you have a good idea, I'll reference it. Business inquiries, can use this. If you want to just chat and talk, use the info. Down here will be modified to probably going to have more of the about and all the legalese stuff. Currently, you'd have the legalese things in the about. Take a look at the about section. It has some information about the team here, kind of the vision, goal for S-Tech, terms of service. Yeah, no one really cares. The main thing I'm pretty sure people came for, and the main purpose of the website right now, is the form. So this is the actual form itself, the form homepage. You don't have to log in to see the posts, but you do have to make an account to post anything. I hope this should help reduce bots, scam posts, those type of things. You can see a few people have already started posting and adding content. I want to thank everybody for just jumping in and starting posting things, especially in the mini laptop area, going in and talking about things. Right now, there's a few categories. There's going to be the general discussions. This is going to be all the rules of the forum, kind of a get to know you type thing if people want to just post and say hi. Maybe some random questions about videos or off-topic posts are going to go in here. We got Jarvis and AI. So this is where I'm going to be posting things about updates on Jarvis. This is what I was asking for in some of those other videos, especially the one where I talk about why I don't post the code. I want to encourage people to post on this what they're building and have a community of people that are talking about it and helping each other out. You can't post videos on this due to the data limits, but make a video, post it on YouTube in private, put a link on here. You only have to show that to people that you want to show it about, so you can remove the link later. If you have any questions, topics, if you get stuck, throw it into the forum here. Next one, I got a category just for the 7-inch mini laptop. And so far, this is the one that people have been testing out. We've got people jumping in with problems. After reinstalling Windows, I posted about a way to fix and get some of the drives. Steven, he's been kicking butt and basically got the signed drivers for the mini laptop. So that should hopefully fix a lot of the issues. So a lot of good information. Hopefully people can also post what they're using it for, their mods, and have fun with it. A mini laptop section. So discuss what you have, what you think about them, use cases. Do you put it on the desk and have it hidden somewhere? Did you tear it apart and use it in your car? All kinds of different things. 3D printers. It was suggested, and I think it's a good idea. Things like 3D printers, 3D printing, FDM printing, resin printing. What do you use your printer for? I started a icebreaker, something simple, something fun. What's the weirdest thing that you've ever printed with your printer? And why did you do it? Some of you may have noticed I am going to add a members area. Currently, there's nothing in it right now, but the idea is to create a members only page for people that would like to support the channel, support the website. Yes, I might have borrowed the idea from DingPods, but I really wanted something that is affordable, something to help pay for the website fees. As more people use it, it's going to need more data to make it faster. Going to have to upgrade it, that type of thing. I'm not making millions off of it. The members only section will have links posted to see videos early, have posts directing the flow of the videos, so kind of topic ideas, what would you like to see. Gonna have some more fun and casual discussions, some behind the scenes stuff, maybe post some extra just not polished videos, just like I don't know, me burning myself with a soldering iron. Who knows? That seems more likely. I think it's a fair deal. Let me know in the comments or in the forum what you think. The fourth tab that I have is a support tab. This is currently still being worked on. This will contain various ways to support the channel and the website. So links to YouTube, links to any merchandise, some t-shirts and things that I have created. If there's anything that you think would be interesting, let me know. I'll be updating this as I can. I'm still working on it. I'm going to have a link to all the affiliate links that I've used in all the videos. They should have pictures and brief descriptions so you know what things are. And that's about it. Everything else is going to be legalese. That's what's taking me the longest, is making fun stuff like privacy policies. As of this video posting, forum is going to be available for everybody. Hop on in, use it. I'll have a link in the description. Try not to blow up the place. I'll see everybody in there. I know this was kind of a different video than normal. Really want to kind of push out the website. If you have any ideas, send me a message, send me an email, throw in the forum. Oh, possibly the next video, just as a teaser. This is also something I've been working on. I'm trying to modify Jarvis's GUI a little bit. So this is a potential idea I have. Let me know what you think of it. But that's for a future video. Until then,